Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can change last seen info to nobody on BIP. So, let's get started. Firstly, open BIP app in a device. Then tap on three lines icon. Next, tap on settings. Then you can see the option of privacy. Tap on it. After that, tap on last seen and online. Next, you can see the option of who can see my last seen info. Then you can also see the option of nobody. Tap on nobody. So this is how you can change last seen info to nobody on BIP. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.